My Toastmasters journey started when I was taking my master's degree in International Technological University. That was the original club where I was, and it got converted to a online club. So back in 2019, I was a shy immigrant from the Philippines going here in the US. And our university was fortunate to have a Toastmaster club, which then was called International Technological University Toastmaster Club. And so I was trying to improve my speaking skills, communication skills, and leadership skills. And one of my professors did advise me to attend Toastmasters meeting, and that's where it all started. That was way back in 2019.